Hey guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be designing this thumbnail together using Canva. Canva is a free design tool that you can use to design your video, images, thumbnails, and what have you. So we are going to design this together. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Here on Canva, if you don't already have a Canva account, you can create a Canva account by going to canva.com or just check the description box. I have Canva there and create your account. Or if you are so new to Canva, I have a video before that I did about how to create designs on Canva for beginners. You should try to watch that video right after this one. First thing first, we're going to go to create a design. Since what we are creating is thumbnail, we are going to go over to thumbnail. Here you can see we have different templates to select from. We're not going to be using any of these ones. We are using only free feature. All these ones you see with crowns are paid, like pro, you have to pay for it. Let's just go to elements. I'm going to select this shape. Then I'll duplicate this. You can see the shortcut for duplicate Ctrl D. So to change the color, go over here and change it. So I'm changing it to something like gray. You can see it's not dark. And then I'll change this to productive, right? So maybe something green. And then I'm going to draw again. You can go over to elements. So I just want to make use of this. I'm going to change this color to something radiant, and then I'll duplicate it, and then I'll change the color, and then go to upload. If you watch that video, you see how I uploaded videos to Canva, but it's simple. Just click on upload and then upload from your device. I already have the image I'm going to use here. I'm going to make use of this. Okay, what I'm going to write now is the before and after. I'm going to write before here, so I'm going over to text. I'm going to be using a bold text. So come here, choose this, and I'll write before. So I'm going to be selecting another font. Come here, this is Sun Canvas. You can choose from here as many fonts as much as you want. There are some fonts that are paid, but we are doing everything free. Okay, this is good. Actually duplicate. So what we are going to write here is after. Before we move forward, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And the most important, please like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. It won't take you anything, please. So I'm going to be using this font. I'm going to be duplicating it again. If you see what I'm doing, you will see that it is aligning. Okay, let me do it again. When I'm dragging, it is aligning to this text. This alignment means that they are in line. I'm going to add another text. And then I'm going to over here, and I'm going to make it 102. So copy this control. So you can see it didn't take us so much time. You can decide to walk around. You can decide to use other colors and not my color. You get it? So guys, this is it. And then to download it, then click on share. Click on download. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video to the very end. I hope you got value from this. If you understood it and if you're going to try out to create your thumbnail, tell me in the comment section that I got value, that I'm going to create it. Okay, so until next time, bye.